Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I did this very random tutorial that I thought of doing around 10:30 at night and finished at 12, and I really love the way it turned out. It's like more ethnic vibe. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So to begin with, I decided to go for a full coverage foundation. For that I use a Kat Von D super matte. It's like a super matte foundation, very heavy, and it is full coverage. And to bring it a little to the dewy side, I added the Cover FX liquid highlighter, and the shade that I'm using for the foundation was 56. I think 56 natural, or it's 56 medium. And after that I'm using this pack concealer, and I love this concealer because it is full coverage. Like, it gives you enough decent amount of coverage, not full coverage but decent amount of coverage. But the only drawback of this concealer is it's super dry. It's like if you leave it and you keep on going and concealing other areas of your face, then the first part will get super dry, then you will have to go over and over again and again. So that is the only drawback. Otherwise this concealer is really nice for the price range, for the shade range, as well as for the coverage as well. So it's pretty good, but the only thing is that it's too dry. And after that I am going to use the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and just going to bake. Well, I don't bake as much as I used to, because I see the difference, because otherwise my under eye area looks super dry. And I just push the product, and by the time I will be done doing the same for the mouth, I'm gonna dust it off for my under eye area as well. After that I'm going to give my face little bronzy look by using the bronzer from L'Oreal, and this used to be my favorite bronzer. And yeah, I used to use this. I used to go back to this very often, but I don't know why, but lately I am not using this one. And after that I am going to give a little bit of you can say contouring to my bronziness also, or you can say you can just you can cut the face shape according to your choice. After that I'm going to use this beautiful blush palette. This is my one palette that is my go-to, because this has multiple option of your colors, and the shimmer also, the shimmer blush, and the other one as well. So I love that blush palette. And if you've been following me from recent times also, you know that this highlighter has become my top favorite, that is from Forever 52. And after that I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and going to give little bit of bronziness, you can say. I'm going to contour the crease as well. And after that I'm using the very cool and warm mixture of the shades, and going for the depth by adding little bit of dark brown shade to the outer crease, and just going to blend it nicely so that it looks seamlessly together, and so that there are no harsh edges, and it can give you the hint of bronziness as well. So to add a little bit of the brightness, I'm going to add this very bronzy shimmer to the lid area as well, by using only my fingers. You can use a sponge, you can use your brush, whatever you want. And to give a little bit of color, I am going to use this very random eye pencil that I had. I don't really remember the brand name even. So it's like a blue kajal or blue liner sort of thing. You can use anything, you can use black, whatever you feel like. I really wanted to throw in some color, because I was wearing a white kurta and I just wanted to have a contrast situation. So that's what I really wanted to do, and I added shit ton of mascara, like literally not even kidding. I added shit ton of mascara. And after that I'm using this white kajal from Forever 52. I have used so many white kajals from so many other brands, but I think this one has the best pigmentation that you can ever ask for, and it stays also. And after that I'm using the same color for my lower bottom lash line and giving some mascara. And so after mascara, it's time for our lips. Now I'm going to use the nude liner from Forever 52. You know the drill. I can use any lipstick on my lips, but my liner, no matter what, it should be nude. And I am going to give my first layer by using the Stella liquid lipstick. The shade is Bella, and the other lipstick is from ColourPop. The shade is Bumble, and just going to give a very nice, not basically I'm not going for ombre, but I just layered both the shades to give a beautiful shade. Ta-da, we are ready. So I just paired it with a very messy bun and a bindi and a bandhani. I think it is called bandhani, but I call it Jaipuri dupatta because I'm not sure what it is called, and with some golden earrings. I loved how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed it too, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and stay home, stay positive, and until then, bye.